Our responsibility is to ensure that the justice system improves, fulfilling our duty to uphold the law to the best of our individual and collective abilities. Our justice system must not only be efficient, innovative, and accessible, it must also ensure its own integrity and hold all other institutions within our legal order accountable. We have launched various platforms for ourselves, including integrity@judiciary.gov.ph, to allow all our stakeholders to speak out against corruption among lawyers and to avoid corrupt practices that compromise the impartiality of our judges and justices. This court is united in its commitment that corruption has no place in our work. Neither should it exist in any of the institutions of our government. Addressing corruption is a clear, visible, and urgent priority for all justices, judges, lawyers, court personnel, and all our stakeholders. Corruption should no longer be hidden. When we silence corruption out of fear or guilt, we establish an unjust society. With corruption, we contradict our assigned role to be courageous agents of social justice. We urge everyone gathered today to continue to use our positions to lead and empower. Use them to uphold not only the rule of law, but what this court has called the rule of fair and just law. We are aware of the privilege of being in these positions of power. We are aware of how temporary these are. We know that this is a public trust. While we are here, we will do our best to prioritize the interests of our fellow Filipinos and always to do justice. Our people suffer. I know I speak for all your justices that during our watch, we must not fail them. We will not fail them. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Agyamanak. Shukran.